Hi everyone, welcome back to another review. For today's video, we are looking over the DEERC high-speed RC boat HJ812. It's rated for ages 14 and older. Let's go ahead and open it up and show you what you get. Inside the package, they give you a battery, charging cable with an extra fan blade, manual. This is the remote control, which you can adjust the steering trim and the speed. On and off button right here just slides up. Control it left and right. Forward, reverse, push up for reverse. It takes 2 AA batteries. This is the boat itself. Very nice, sleek design. You can see the blades on the back here. Twist this to unlock it. Once unlocked, it opens up the motor bay and you connect your battery right here onto this. Let's go ahead and test it out.
I was jumping the waves.
Yeah.